Hello good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In these times when the majority of us are locked at home and cannot go about our day-to-day business, many people have been looking for other alternatives of making an income and providing for themselves. In today's video, I'd like us to discuss the different businesses that you can start in the digital space while using minimum resources, yet get maximum profits.
May 2020 issue now available. Don't wait. Subscribe now at www.read.awakeningafricamag.com and stay connected.
The first business that can be started online is a coaching business. How good are you with your skills? Do you know that one particular skill that you're really good at? Well, it's time to teach others that same skill. Coaching others on the online space can give you a lot of income, ranging from $10 to $100 and even more. Make use of your skills. Use the internet to find people who would love to learn your skill. Package your information well, present it well, and sell it to others so that they can learn and grow from what you already have. The second business that you can start in the online space is interior design consultation. If you have a tasteful style, then maybe it is time to teach others how to make their spaces tasteful or stylish. You can do this by allowing other people to see your space in the internet. This is by taking photographs and posting them in various groups, in various social media handles, and then using that information to teach others on how to make their spaces tasteful and stylish. Interior design is becoming very common, and because people have different tastes, you are guaranteed that you will get business. The third business that you can start online with minimal resources is writing business. This might require you to just join an online working site or join an online writing group. Sometimes you might even join groups in social media, and you'll be able to get people who need things written for them, things as simple as letters, contracts, stories, news items. You will always get somebody who needs something to be written, and if you're good at writing, then maybe it is time that you explore that option in the online space. The fourth business, which is becoming very common among young people, is social media management. Many companies have inactive social media pages or dormant social media pages. It is time for you to reach out to these people and offer your services as a social media manager. That means you update different social media pages, you make sure that every information is updated and that customers are able to reach the companies easily through the social media pages. Anyone can try that job, don't you think? Finally, you can choose to be a call center assistant or an executive assistant. These are people that are commonly used to receive calls for different organizations and different people while in the comfort of their homes. It also means that you're able to assist people respond to emails, especially when they're bulk emails and they're expecting responses. The only requirement you might need is to understand the services and products of a specific organization or a specific person, so that when somebody calls to inquire something or somebody sends an email, you're able to respond to it comfortably. Tell me in the comment section below, are you going to work? Have you retained your job? Are you working from home, or do you need to start a business? Have I said anything that triggers your fancy? Which one will you be trying? Let us have this conversation in the comment section below. I promise I will respond to your comments. Until my next video, goodbye.